All right, so in this video, I'll be showing us how to use Publisher Rocket for your research. And as I told us earlier, Publisher Rocket is a software that that you can use for your keyword research, and it is a paid software. It's not free. It's not free. So you don't need to bother yourself, to rush into buying Publisher Rocket for now. You can use the manual method that I have been talking about at the course of this video to make all the monies that you want to make, and then at the later phase of your business you can upscale by buying advanced software. Yeah, so Publisher Rocket is sold for $97, which is around 97,000 or 98,000 naira or so, or even close to 100,000 considering the dollar to naira exchange rate. Yeah, because $1 now is equal to 1,400. So 1,400 times $97 should be around let me see, 97 times 1,400, that's like 135,000 naira. Imagine, just imagine 135k, yeah, to buy the software currently. So you don't need to do that for now. So let me show us how to use that software. I have it here, Publisher Rocket. So let me open the software. So now that we have come across a topic, so I'll use one of the topic that I told us to write on the other time, which is that Galveston diet. Yeah, I think so, Galveston diet. So with this Publisher Rocket, you can search, you can do keyword research, check for competition, and then category search and all of that. So let's go to keyword research. So I say Galveston diet. So I will just type Galveston diet to see what Publisher Rocket will tell me about. So you see, when I type Galveston diet, is bringing out all the other related keywords. So let me search for other, let me analyze this keyword to know how they are performing, and all of that. So hardcover Galveston, you only analyze the keyword that is related to the book you intend to write. Galveston diet vegetarian. Okay, that's interesting. You see, so these are actually ways that you can niche down. Like I told us to write on that book. All of you don't need to go and write on Galveston diet cookbook. Some of you can niche down to Galveston diet vegetarian. Some of you can niche down, the Galveston diet, your ultimate menopause health plan. Let's check this. You see, these are all wonderful niche that you can niche your book down. Galveston diet weighted vested. Wow. On a normal, I would never believe there are Galveston diet recipe. So someone can even write on Galveston diet recipe instead of just Galveston diet cookbook. So all of you can diversify your writings. So Galveston diet cookbook. All right. So I enter that keyword here, Galveston diet cookbook. All right. So Galveston diet cookbook for beginners. All right. So let's go back to the first one that we use. So Galveston diet cookbook. Let me check this out. If you look at this niche, it's a very profitable niche. Like the competition is so low. No competition is up to 1,000 here. Like all of the highest here is 774. Imagine. So the competition is very low. And now you look at it, average page, how many pages for this keyword? 208, and the number of competitors just 14. Average price is 14. So the average price for this book is $14. Average monthly earning. So all this keyword, how much is it making per month? $23,000. So you go and take your own share of the $23,000. And what is the Amazon search volume per month? Is less than 1,000. So very few searches is going on, but it's a very profitable topic. And then the competition score is what? Is 32. And what is this software telling you? Low competition. So the competition for this keyword is very low. So with this software, you can know which keyword to use and which keyword not to use. So for those of you that will be writing on Galveston diet vegetarian, you see what is competition? Just 114, and then the search volume, the total monthly earning, $14,000 is made from this keyword per month. So go and take your own share of it, and the competition is so low, just 2%. So how many authors, or let's say how many authors are on this keyword? Let's check them out. So we come to this analyze. So we'll go to the competition analyzer now to know how many authors are have released book on this very topic and how much are they making individually. So when you come to this competition analyzer, you will see all the authors that are ranking for that keyword, and then how much they are making per month, monthly sales. Yeah, so these are all the authors that are ranking for that keywords. And the highest guy here, this Mary Clay, is actually the owner or the first person to release book on this Galveston diet. And this Galveston diet is actually trademark of this name. So you have to stay away from using just Galveston diet. Don't use this one directly. That's why you see guys that are smart, they are adding Galveston diet cookbook for beginners. Automatically this thing is different from this one. Then you see other people using Galveston diet vegetarian, which is different from this. So, and this keyword, this person is making $5,000 per month. And how long has this book been up? Just 105 days ago. So you see this guy is making a lot of money here. So you just have to go and take your own share from this. So this is how Publisher Rocket makes the whole journey very easy for us. So with this now, if I'm working on this topic, I can just come here, and when I'm writing my book and I need the 7 back end keyword, I can copy this 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use all of these keywords that are here for my 7 back end. I will show us how to do that later. And as people are searching for this keyword, that is how my book will be ranking, and that is how I'll be making my own sales. So this software make the whole journey very easy. So competition analyzer tell you the number of the number of books that have been released, and then their monthly sales, and daily sales and all of that. So the average price, the price for this book, how much is this author selling his book? He's selling his book at the rate of $13.99, and you can actually go to Amazon directly, go to Amazon store to look for this book. So we click on this, check it out, and it will take us to this place. So we see the book live and direct on Amazon. And when was this book published? This book was published on the 19th of August 2023. So you see the author here. So this is a book. So you are seeing the live book now on the Amazon store. So that is how Publisher Rocket works, and it is an amazing software that makes the whole journey very easy and less stressful. So let's check out this guy. When was this book published? Let's check out this guy. This guy published this book in October 2023, and the person has already made $5,000 from this book alone. Has made $5,000 from this book alone. So how many pages? Just 114 pages. Just 114 pages. Let's look inside the book to see what this guy talked about, that this lady talked about, that made her to earn such amount of money within that shortest space of time. So let's check it out. Let's check out the author. Let's check out the author. Please open up. Let me rewind this. Read something. Alright, so see the beautiful cover design. These are all stuff that you can do. You see, beautiful cover design, and look at how the author arranged her book. Like, amazing, very beautiful. So you can model this, you can do something like this for your own book. That is the essence of checking them out. So when you open up books like this, it gives you opportunity to see what other authors are doing, and then it helps you to know exactly how you can do something similar to theirs, so that you have the same kind of result. So that is that for using Publisher Rocket. You use it for keyword research, you analyze competition, and then when it is time for you to publish your book, you check for categories. You can also use it for category research, just like I showed us the other time when doing category research. So doing that manual category research can be very stressful. So you can come to Publisher Rocket and do your category research, and whatever outcome you get, let's say all of these keywords are the stuff you want to use, you just come and click on what export, and then export analyze. So it's only this one that I've analyzed that will be exported. So I just click on export analyze, so that when I want to publish my book later on, I can just click on open this stuff, open this up, and then start copying out this keyword one after the other, and then use it for my book. So that is that about this video on how to use Publisher Rocket for your keyword research. So with Publisher Rocket alone, you can use it to do what? to do category based research. You can use it to do keyword research. You can use it to track for authors, to know which author is performing well. When you come to this competition analyzer, you can check out the authors. You look at the author name. You can use Publisher Rockets to know the top performing authors like Louise McGrew, so you can check her out and then get to know how she's performing, and then also know the exact kind of books that she's writing and all of that. So Publisher Rocket is an amazing software. As a matter of fact, it has helped me a lot. So you can save up, as you start making money, and get Publisher Rocket for yourself. But as a bonus for you being a participant of this training, from time to time, I'll be researching out profitable topics like using Publisher Rocket, and I will share those topics with you guys for free. So immediately I drop it, anytime I want to do that, I normally, let me take a screenshot of this keyword that I just search out for, because I'll be dropping this in the group. I'll be dropping this in the group for you guys. Yeah, I'll be dropping this for you guys in the group. So here's the keyword. So I will just take a screenshot like this, and then I will go to the group and drop it now, so that as soon as you guys start working on that topic, as soon as you guys start working on the topic, you can pick it up from there. Just go there and start implementing. So here's the group. So all I'll just do now is so I paste it here in the group, and instantly when I send it, you guys can have it and then start maximizing the opportunity that is in that keyword. So that is how we use this Publisher Rocket to get profitable keywords and also publish books. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and this is the end of week 3 and week 4 training. So by Sunday we will meet for our interactive question and answer section. Thank you very much for staying through this training, and in the next video we'll be talking about how to get content, how to create your books, and then how to start publishing your book. So see you in the live section.